Hello, good morning once again. My name is Sarita and my professional name is Dr. Jindi Basu. I'm a shaman healer. To start with, I would like to show my gratitude to my mentor, my teacher, Nitya Chini. It's a book of some Indian symbol. These are the symbols for healing. Please go through the book if you can. You'll be getting this in Amazon. And this is an amazing book. I've learned a lot from my mentor, Nitya Chalam. Nitya, thank you so much. You have changed my life. Yes, I was into healing. Various modalities I have practiced, tried on me and my clients. And shamanic healing is something which has changed my life completely and which is changing my clients' life each and every second. And I'm extremely grateful to Nitya for that. आज मैं आपको शामानिक हीलिंग के बारे में बात करना चाहूँगी आपसे. अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आपकी ज़िंदगी की प्रॉब्लम्स सॉल्व हो, अगर आप चाहते हैं कि हर कोई सवाल जो आपको हर एक पल में परेशान कर रहे हैं, may be related to your past life, may be related to your current scenario, your personal life, your health situation, your professional situation, you can deal with each and every problem of yours with your own power only. Even without knowing the fact of shamanic healing, I knew that it can be possible once all chakras are aligned and you are absolutely balanced. You can do it and you can make yourself balanced. There are various techniques to that. You can do that. I do practice that. I do initiate chakra activation. I am a trainer for that, a trained personnel for that. And now I am very happy and very pleased, very blessed to announce that I can heal so very successfully with the help of shamanic journey. So I would request everybody to please experience shamanic journey to get rid of all your troubles. I would not be sharing my patient's details because those are all confidential. But in shamanic journey, we just go through the nature. We don't need to put any external makeup, external obstacle, external objects. You just have to be natural. You just have to be natural and you just have to be in the nature to heal all your problem, all others' problem. So let's have a journey from now onwards. Every day I'll try to put a shamanic journey, the modalities and how we can do this. I will journey online and I'll be putting my videos in the YouTube videos channel of mine. I'll help people and I'll serve my purpose of life. Thank you so much.